Come with me just for a moment. Let's leave the bustle behind and journey to Arunachal Pradesh, India's land of dawn-lit mountains. Here, ancient traditions and breathtaking beauty blend seamlessly. We're not following the usual trails. We're seeking the hidden gems, the places where magic and mystery still linger. Our adventure takes us to two enchanting valleys, Mechuka, serene and timeless, and Zero, a vibrant green canvas alive with culture. These aren't just places, they're living stories, inviting us to reconnect with nature and ourselves. Imagine waking to snow-dusted peaks, walking through untouched landscapes, and feeling the world slow down. This is the promise of Mechuka and Zero, a rare chance to disconnect from the modern rush and rediscover wonder. Our journey unfolds in claymation, each scene crafted to capture the valley's spirit. Rolling hills, tribal tattoos, swaying bridges. Through this art, you'll almost feel the cool mountain air and hear distant monastery chants. Let's step into Arunachal's hidden paradise. An immersive, magical world awaits. Our first stop is Mechuka, the medicinal water of snow. The valley is cradled by pristine snow-capped mountains and the turquoise Siam River. Crisp air, wild blossoms, and vast grasslands dotted with grazing horses create a fairy tale scene. In summer, meadows burst with color. In winter, snow transforms Mechuka into a silent wonderland. Wooden houses with sloping roofs blend into the landscape, exuding peace and charm. Iconic cane and bamboo suspension bridges cross the river, swaying gently as you walk, testaments to local ingenuity. From these bridges, the views are spectacular. River below, forests climbing hills, mountains standing guard. The Member, Ramo, Bokar and Libo tribes call this paradise home, living in harmony with nature. You'll see them tending fields, herding animals and moving with a gentle grace. Their resilience and warmth welcome you, offering a glimpse into a life both simple and rich. Mechuka is a place where time slows and every moment feels sacred. Next, we travel to Zero Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a patchwork of lush rice paddies and pine groves. The Apatani tribe practices integrated rice and fish farming, a sustainable tradition passed down for generations. Elder Apatani women, with facial tattoos and nose plugs, embody a unique cultural heritage. Their stilted homes cluster in tight-knit villages, fostering deep community bonds. Life here follows ancient rituals and the Donyi Polo belief system, honoring the sun and moon. Festivals like Miyoko celebrate friendship and fertility, filling the valley with music and feasts. Zero's mild climate and vibrant landscapes make every dawn and dusk a spectacle of natural beauty. Here, tradition and nature are inseparable, creating a world both soothing and invigorating. Exploring Mechuka and Zero is a feast for the senses. In Mechuka, try butter tea and pika pila pickle, or savor smoked meats and fresh vegetables. Zero offers bamboo-cooked rice, steamed fish, and apong, a traditional rice beer central to celebrations. Hospitality is heartfelt. Sharing a meal in a local home is an experience in itself. Both valleys are rich in crafts. Mechuka's woven shawls and wooden masks, Zero's vibrant textiles and bamboo creations. These crafts reflect the artistry and resourcefulness of the people, and buying directly supports local communities. Take home a hand-woven jacket or a bamboo basket, a piece of culture and memory. Every taste and treasure here tells a story of tradition and ingenuity. The valley's flavors and crafts are as unforgettable as their landscapes. Getting to these valleys is an adventure, one that sets the stage for what's to come. The gateway is Assam, with airports at Lillabari or Dibrugarh and a scenic road trip ahead. To reach Mechuka, travel via Along, Alo, winding through forests and remote villages. The drive is long but breathtaking, each turn revealing new vistas. An inner-line permit is required, and a sturdy vehicle with a local driver is best. For Zero, the nearest railway is Naharlagun, or drive from Assam's airports climbing into the hills. The journey is a gradual shift from the familiar to the extraordinary, building anticipation. Mobile networks fade and life slows, perfect for soaking in the scenery and connecting with fellow travelers. Along the way, you'll glimpse daily life, children waving, farmers in fields, the wild beauty of the eastern Himalayas. Here the journey is as memorable as the destination. In Mechuka and Zero, we are guests, responsible for preserving what makes these places special. Stick to trails, avoid litter, and use reusable bottles to protect the pristine environment. Respect local culture, ask before taking photos, dress modestly, and greet with a smile. Listen and learn. Your curiosity will be rewarded with deeper understanding. Support the community by staying in homestays, eating local, and buying crafts directly from artisans. Sustainable choices help keep traditions alive and benefit families. Eco-friendly travel means leaving no trace and honoring irreplaceable cultures and ecosystems. Let's ensure these hidden gems remain unspoiled and magical for generations to come. So, our journey through Mechuka and Zero comes to an end, but the memories linger. These valleys are more than destinations, they're experiences that change you. Here, nature's grandeur and ancient cultures thrive in harmony. It's not about checklists, but about immersion, tasting butter tea, watching mist rise, hearing prayer flags flutter. The lessons of resilience, community, and simplicity stay with you. For those seeking authentic connection and serenity, these valleys offer something rare. Step off the beaten path and discover a world where people and nature are still deeply entwined. Let Arunachal Pradesh's magic captivate your heart and inspire your soul. This is an adventure you'll cherish forever.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.